Will he manage to steer through it flawlessly? Let's find out. This is Lynk Co 2, a full electric sporty crossover. It has rear-wheel drive, 272 HP, 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds, a top speed of 180 kph. So guys, this is the more variant in Cosmic Blue, and there is also a cheaper variant, the Core. The More comes standard with 20-inch alloy wheels and the Core with 90-inch. The 66 kWh battery provides a range of 445 km and charges at 22 kW AC or 150 kW DC, while the Core variant has an AC speed of 11 kW with the same DC rate. So the trunk provides 410 liters of storage space. There is also a lower compartment for some extra items. And of course, a handy 12-volt outlet. Folding the rear seats increases the capacity to 1400 liters. Exactly guys, no engine here, just a small frunk with 15 liters of space. Not very big, but enough to store a bag or charging cable. Alright, let's take a look inside. The lower part is made of hard plastic while the top has a softer finish. The seats are covered in synthetic leather, which feels nice. There is an armrest with 2 cup holders, and I really like the yellow accents. They are everywhere in the car, like here and even in the stitching. At 1.83 meters, I fit just fine in the back seat and the headroom is actually pretty good. There are 2 USB ports, one of them being USB-A. I preferred both to be Type-C though. Also, storage pockets behind both the front seats. And just like in the back, the doors are made with different materials. The More variant comes with the Harman Kardon sound system, and the front seats are also electrically adjustable in 6 ways. They are heated and feature a memory function. A squircle heated steering wheel with an Alcantara-like fabric in the middle. So here in the middle there is a Co box. You can completely remove it and it easily clicks off. In the future it will have a cooling function and you can also take it out entirely. So further there are 2 wireless phone chargers, a 60-watt USB-C port, some cup holders and of course a glove box. Alright guys, let's take this beauty for a spin. Smash that like button, subscribe for more videos and let me know what you think about the Lynk Co 2. So the infotainment display is 15.4 inches in size and comes with 5G connectivity and various apps. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto weren't available during this drive, but they'll be added through an over-the-air update in spring 2025. So guys, overall it works really smoothly, it responds quickly to inputs and has a high resolution screen. So the More variant comes with a 360-degree camera, but I find the image quality a bit lacking. It looks a bit pixelated, don't you think? So we have just talked about the steering wheel, and personally I like its shape. It might feel a bit small for some, but it sits really comfortably in my hands. And the More version also comes with a heated steering wheel, as something the Core version misses out. Another cool feature in the More version is the InfinityLight. As you can see, the light bar flashes along with the turn signal and turns completely red when the hazard lights are on, and you can also customize the color to your liking. Both the Core and More versions come with some numbers of safety features. It's 20 to be exact. So let's turn on the adaptive cruise control with Lynk Keep Assist and see how it performs. And with this lever, you can set the maximum speed. There, right in front of us, a sharp turn is coming up. Will he manage to steer through it flawlessly? Let's find it out. I was holding the steering wheel very lightly and the driver assistance system turned off really quickly. That's too bad. Oh guys, what do we have here? The ultimate driving machine, the BMW E39 M5. And guys, did you know that I also made a POV driving video of this beast? Click the top right to check it out. So guys, the sport seats don't just look good, they are really comfortable, and especially with the seat heating option. And as you can see, they are perforated, but unfortunately there is no seat ventilation, and that's a missed opportunity if you ask me. Alright guys, we are almost done with this video, so let's wrap it up. The Lynk Co 2 gives you a lot for your money. It shares its platform with the Volvo EX30, Zeekr X and Smart 1 and 3, but it has a softer setup, making it feel more balanced than the stiff EX30 with 272 HP. It's quick enough, though the full power seems to come alive mainly in sport mode, and the interior is pretty basic, but the chassis performance better than I expect. And when it comes to value for money, it stands really out. With a starting price of just under 36,000 euros in the Netherlands, it's notably cheaper than similar models from Volvo, Smart and Zeekr. Even the base model comes well equipped, and the higher spec More version adds extra comfort features like a heat pump, the premium audio and a slightly longer driving range. So guys, overall the Lynk Co 2 isn't a sporty crossover, but more a practical, affordable family car with a solid foundation and a competitive price.